Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for this video I have the cutest things that I got in the last month. But before going into that, let's call the channel of the day, and this time it's Stephanie D. She's a sweetheart, as all you are, but about her I want to mention she's a lady that deserves more than support. So please go ahead and check her channel. I'll leave the channel down below. This is another way for me to say her thank you for all her support in the last 6 months since I opened my YouTube channel. Thank you again from my part. I would like you to check her channel also. So with that being said, let's go ahead and see what's in this video for this video actually. And what I have now, I have those two guys. Let me just hold them. They look like this. I think this is the cutest thing that I got in the last month. Those are the Occitane Easter eggs, and I'll let you know exactly how they are called. Very cute things, and also big sizes. And this one, I believe this one is called, and on the back you have surprise. This one is called 2018 Fresh Easter Egg, and this is the yellow one. And the pink one, this one, is called 2018 Floral Easter Egg. So let's open this one. It's a great size. One of this is $18 on Occitane side. If you watch my channel, you know I'm in love with this brand. I use many samples of them. I never get a full size, but I enjoy getting the samples boxes when they have on sale. So here is the egg inside, and here is the small package that was in the egg. Those are deluxe samples. And in this one, in the floral one, we have a bar soap, which is, don't expect me to say this in French because it's going to be a disaster, but this is Creamy Blossom, and it's Perfume Soap, which looks like this. And I have to say that when I opened the box, the smell was so good that I was sniffing in the box for 10 minutes at least. So this is this one. All the products are from the same line. This is Perfume Soap Cherry Blossom, and I believe this one might be a full size. I don't know. It's 50 grams and smells amazing. And then we have here a tiny hand cream from the same line, and of course the shower gel, which looks like this. So this is all in this egg, in the flower one, in the floral one. I think those can be great gifts for somebody for Easter. The packaging is just gorgeous. You can also put something else in here because there is space enough to do that. Looks really cute. You can also hang this one outside in your tree or wherever how you like it, but it's a great looking one. So the second one, the yellow one, which is the fresh one, opens the same way. Inside we have the packaging, and in this one we have the amande, and I'm not sure how to pronounce that, from the amande line. This is the shower oil. I tried one of these in the sample of the week, and I have to say that it's amazing. Smells like nothing else. Really nice. And this one is the milk concentrate. This is a cream, and this one is, I believe it's a body cream. Yeah, it's a body cream. And the last one, of course, it's a hand cream, hand and nail care, which looks like this. So each one of the eggs was $18. You let me know if it's expensive or not. Those are deluxe samples, so $18 for those 3 tiny guys. Probably, not probably, actually it's expensive to pay $18, but those can be a great gift for you first and for somebody else. So yeah, I love Occitane. I love their limited edition boxes. I never got something from Occitane around Easter. This is the first time when I'm getting their eggs. I'm waiting for the Look Fantastic ones, but it's gonna take about 3 weeks for that to... I know they shipped already those, the big box with 7 eggs and a really beautiful one. But for right now, I have the Occitane ones, which are looking great, smelling amazing, and great gifts also. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to cut this video as short as I can because my battery shows me that it's done already. Let's call again the channel of the day, which is Stephanie D. Please go ahead and check her. Thank you so much. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.